Hey everybody, it's Kelly and welcome back to the Sholey YouTube channel. Today we're going to be breaking down the Apollo Mini Mist Essentials Starter Kit. Okay, so starting off first with the Turbine. This turbine can handle about 25 to 30 tans a day, so it's a great option if you are low volume or looking to grow your spray tan business. The applicator that comes with this kit is going to be the T6000. This is a great low-cost option for people wanting to start a spray tan business but aren't sure how it's going to take off. This spray tan gun is going to be the most cost-effective option that we have. Because it is a plastic applicator, it does not come with an air feed tube on the outside of the gun like the stainless steel applicators do. So just to kind of walk you through the difference, this solution straw does not reach the very bottom of this cup. So this solution cup does have an 8-ounce liquid capacity. However, because the straw does not reach the very bottom of the cup, you're always going to have to over pour by 1 ounce of solution to make sure that you don't encounter any sputtering or inconsistencies with your spray tans. At the end of every appointment with that leftover solution, you could either store it up to 24 hours or you'll have to toss it. In your starter kit, you will also get a hose. This is going to be what connects your turbine to your applicator. Also, in your starter kit, you're going to get 8-ounce solution samples of our original number 9, Luxe number 12, and our original rapid solution. This is going to give you the chance to try out multiple formulas to figure out what you're going to be using most in your business and what you need to purchase more of when it's time to restock. You also will get a 8-ounce pH balancer. This is going to be great for prepping the skin before you go in with solution. You will also get barrier cream in your starter kit. This is going to be essential for protecting the palms of the hands, the backs of the ankles, tops of the fingernails, anywhere we do not want color to develop. You also will get a 32-ounce quart size of our education solution. This solution is great to practice with. It's only cosmetic bronzers, so it doesn't have any DHA in it. There's no active ingredient. You'll just use it to practice your technique, and as soon as the client steps into the shower, it will completely rinse off. In your starter kit, you will also get an access code to start the NSTPA online course. This is something you can take advantage of to learn more about the science behind spray tanning and learn as much as possible before launching your business. And then you also get access to the Sholey product theory course, which will break down Sholey products and what makes them so great. You do also get a pair of foam sticky feet in your starter kit. These are going to be great for protecting the bottom of your client's feet to ensure that no solution develops on the bottom. That's not a place that tans naturally, so we want to make sure that we're protecting the bottom of our client's feet. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team and we'll be happy to help you.